This is the flight. This is the second flight. It's the real deal. Okay, the real deal here going on. Look at them. Yep. That's what they do. It's the second flight, and it's the real deal. Look at what they do. My plan and goal is to race every single one of these guys in 2024. It's going to be phenomenal. This is the race team. They're going to do it. All old birds. That's what it's going to be. Not going to race young birds. Do that 25 if I'm still around. 2025 for young birds. There you go. Look at them splitting up. And there they go. Getting back together again. That's the lazy team trying to bring the other guys down. It's so annoying. There they go clashing. Stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the notification for next year's racing team. All old birds.